To edit the menus on your website, just come to the menu section of your dashboard. That's located under Appearance and then Menus. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to this screen. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu which will list the different menus you have if you have multiple. You can choose the one you want and then click Select to edit that specific menu. To the right is Create a New Menu link. You can click that to create a new menu. At the top, you can ignore this Manage Locations tab. We don't use that to manage menu locations. We use the widgets, and you can learn more about that by watching our widgets videos. But over here, you'll see the structure of your menu laid out. If you want to change the order, you can click and drag an item to change where it is located in the menu. Just drag it and then drop it where you would like it to go. If you want to make it a drop-down item, you can simply drag it to the right a little bit, and you'll see the outline kind of moves to the right. And when you drop it, it's now indented a bit, and then that's how you can tell it's now a sub-item of the item above it, and it will appear in a drop-down menu. So I'm going to move that back over to be a main level item. You'll see it's now not indented. It's all the way over to the left. If you want to remove one of these menu items, simply click on this little caret here. It'll open up these options. At the bottom, you can click Remove to remove an item. In this screen is where you can also click this little link here, this little button, to make the link open in a new tab. Or if you would like to give this menu item a custom title, you can do that here. By default, it will title the link whatever the page is titled, but if for some reason you wanted this to be meetings and reunions or whatever, you can give it a custom title here. I'm going to close that back up. On the left side is where you can add new items to your menu. You'll see it's separated into pages, posts, activities, rooms, specials. Those will be the items you're most likely to be using. But you'll see under here we have all of the pages listed. It'll show your most recent first, and if you're not seeing what you want there, you can click on this View All link to see all of the website pages. This will be all of your blog posts, all of your activities, all of your rooms, and so on. And so if you wanted to add one of these to the menu, just find what you want to add to the menu, select it, click Add to Menu, and then by default, it'll be added to the menu at the bottom here. So then just drag it and drop it wherever you would want to add it. Say you want it to be after boats, you would just drop it there. And now once you click Save Menu to make it live, the menu will now be updated with campsite after boats as a main level item. And again, if you wanted to make it a drop down under cabins or something, just drag it under that item, but then move it over to the right a little bit until it's indented. And again, once you want to make these changes live, just click Save Menu. If you want to remove multiple items at once, instead of having to click this little arrow and remove each one by one, you can click this Bulk Select button down here. It'll bring up little check boxes next to each item you want to remove. Just click all the items you want to remove, select them, click Remove Selected Items. Those will all be removed, and then just click Save Menu to make those changes live. And those are the basics of editing the menus on your website.